I powered a 120 volt motor with USB and it spun faster than it did before. Here's how I did it. The motor was originally used to turn the tray in an old microwave. It is supposed to run at 120 volts, not 5. So that means I'm gonna need to get in there and change some stuff. This motor was not easy to open up. The little metal flaps holding it together are stronger than those on the small DC motors that I'm used to opening up. When I finally got it open, I saw a lot of gears. Before completely taking it apart, I labeled the gears so I wouldn't misplace them when I put it back together. After that, I carefully removed all of the gears, trying to keep as much of the oil on them as possible so it would run smoothly when I put it back together. Then I removed the rotor. It was just a round magnet with a gear on it. The plate inside of the motor that held the coil in place was also not easy to remove. It kept catching on the flaps that I didn't bend back enough. This is the coil. I will need to replace this with thicker, lower resistance wire so it will work at 5 volts. I'll see you in 100 years when I get done removing this coil. I finally finished unwrapping the old coil. The hair-thin wire also broke 3 times in the process. Now it's time to put on the new coil. It won't take nearly as long because I will only be wrapping it a few hundred times. The other coil probably had about 20,000 turns. This is what the finished coil looks like. Now let's put the motor back together. Now that I got it together, let's turn it on. I decided to test it with low frequency 5 volts AC. It works. Now let's see how fast it will go. I turned up the frequency on my AC generator to the maximum amount before the motor stalls. The frequency sounds a little higher than 60 Hz, so the motor is probably going faster than it did before the upgrade. The other contacts broke while opening the motor, so I didn't put those on. When it is running, you can look inside and see every component when it is working. If you would like to see more of my electronics projects, click the playlist on the left. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new uploads.